So today we are going to design the Turing machine for the set of strings starting with 0 over the sigma equal to 0 comma 1. Now first of all we will consider all the possible strings starting with 0. So all the possible strings are 0 followed by same symbol 0 0, then 0 followed by 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 like that and so on. These are the some acceptable string. What are the rejected strings? Starting with 1 only followed by any combination. So these are some of the, we can say, the rejected strings. Okay, so in the case of Turing machine, what we have to do, we have to consider all the accepted strings also, all the rejected strings also, plus we have to consider one more symbol which is called as a blank symbol. So how we'll start? We'll start with the tape. So this is one infinite tape on which we are going to write the strings, and here we are going to write the corresponding transition table. So here the initial state is always marked as q0. Okay, so as we have to consider, the string can start with 0 also, the string can start with 1 also, the string can start with blank also. So here we have three possible input symbols. Okay, so this is the initial condition. Now as we are having three different symbols, we can have three different tape in which we are going to consider three possibilities. So here these are the initial state q0, q0, q0. So here we are having three different inputs for the accepted string. This is a combination for the accepted string, rejected string and the blank. Okay, so here if my first symbol is 0, what will be the next position? What will be the next, we can say, the decision? So we'll start with q0. So we are starting with q0. Now q0 is 0. What is my algorithm? If q0 is on the initial position, we got first bit as 0, which is required in our question. So this is what is, we can say, the required string. So as this is a required string, so I can change the condition that I got at the first place 0. So this I am going to mark with the new state as a q1. And what I am doing with the 0, whether I am replacing 0 by some other alphabet, some other symbol, no. So I am going to write the same symbol. Where this head is going to move, towards the left hand side or towards the right hand side? So it is moving towards the right hand side. So I am going to write the direction also. Okay, so the three things I have to write in our table: the resultant state, then the symbol, whether I'm going to change the symbol, so the symbol, plus I'm going to write the direction. Okay, now I have read 0. Now I'm going to read the rejected one, that is 1. So q0 with 1, what I'm going to do? So this q0 is on 1, this is the rejected string. So do you want to proceed further? No, I want to stop here only because I'm not interested in the leftover string. So what I can do, I can change the state to represent that I'm not interested. So I can do q2 and no operation. So that means I'm going to halt there only, because after getting at the first position 1, I'm not interested in reading the rest of the string, and I will stop there only. That is q2. Now if I am getting blank, nothing is present, so again I am not interested in reading the string, because the string is not present. There is an error, so I can report to the user that this is an error. Okay, now I'm having, so this is what is q1. Q1 is, this is what we got previously, and we are having pointer here, and this state is called as q1. Okay, now q1, the q1 again can have three possible combination. After 0 I can have 0 also, after 0 I can have 1 also, after 0 I can also have blank also. So I am having three possibilities. So these possibilities I will write here by using different combinations. So this is q1, so this is also q1. After reading the first 0, when my pointer is shifted towards the right hand side, so that state is called q1. After reading the first occurrence at the first place as 0, my pointer is shifted towards the right hand side, and that is marked as q1. Now the next bit, After 0 can be 0, can be 0. So if it is 0, whether it is accepted or rejected. So after the first bit is fixed that it is started with 0, the remaining portion of the string can be 0 and 1, that is also accepting. So what q1 with 0 also accepted. So what I do, you want to change the state? No, I can keep it as it is because I'm not interested in reading the rest of the string. I am interested on getting the blank, that is the end of the string. So I will mark q1 only. Do you want to change the symbol? No. Where you want to? No, I want to right. Move towards the right. Now the next symbol, if it is 1 also, do you want to do something? You have to take some strict action against 1? No, 1 was rejected at the first position and this is the 1 after getting the first 0. So I'm happy with this 1 also. Do you want to change 1? Do you want to change the state? Do you? No, I don't want to change the state because I am searching for a blank. So the state will be q1, it will be symbol will be 1 and move to the right. Now if I got blank, that is the end of the string. So if it is end of the string, what you want, that means the string has started with 0, and we have reached the end of the string. So that is the end of my complete execution. So here what I am going to do, this is the final state and I don't want to have any kind of operation. Now same algorithm I can check for 0, 1 and 0. Now I will recheck whether my this table is working properly or not. So I will start with initial state q0, q0 on 0, q0 on 0 is going to q1. I am moving the pointer towards the right hand side. So we are here with the q1 state. So this is q1 and a pointer is shifted here. This is accepted because I will change the state. Now if q1 with 1, q1 with 1 is q1 and the 1 will remain as it is. Do you want to change the state? We are not changing the state, but the pointer is shifted towards the right hand side and the resultant state is q1. Now q1 with the next bit is 0, q1 with the next bit is 0. I am not doing anything. What I have to do, I have to move towards the right hand side. What is present towards the right hand side? This is the end of the string, so this is blank. Now which what was the resultant state? Resultant state is q1. Now you read q1 with blank. Q1 with blank is what we are going to do. We are going to do nothing and we reach the final state. So this is how we are going to design the Turing machine. First of all, we are going to design, and at the end what we are going to do, we are going to cross check our table by taking any string whether it is working properly or not.